V2 coming with a bright screen, white screen, where V1 was with orange or reddish. Hello and welcome to Yasas TV. Today we got a new wheel. Let's get on with the unboxing. So today we're gonna unbox and install Velcro on this wheel. This is Commander Pro version 2. I got this from Alien Wides. This one is staying still. I don't know, there's a dip in the bottom, and I already had a complaint about this bad packaging from Alien Rides before as well with my Master Pro. And again, see, this box is like kind of round box. Like, we'll see. I hope everything is okay inside. I hope this side is up. Let's see. We need to open both sides anyways. So that's a good sign. There are two boxes. And let's see. I wanted you guys to see with me like this unboxing experience. Ready for it? Okay. Oh my god, there is a highways, I think. Let's see what this is. This is some kind of envelope with some kind of secret message inside. We're gonna open that, and there's a high visibility hoodie from Extreme Bull. Says it Extreme Bull here. Nice. We're gonna test this out. And there are some side pads. We're gonna be using our own side pads, so because these ones have this crappy one-time use double-sided tape. But these pads, I'm not gonna throw them away because they are really useful in rainy days. Okay, user manual kind of test report. Extreme Bull test report. Throw it away. The charger. So this is version 2. I hope I won't need that extension cable for it. It's 3 amp 134.4. okay, exact same as Master Pro. Okay, take these out. Some extra screws and fuse. Put that on side. Power cord. Put that aside. Okay, now the moment of truth. We're gonna find out if this is really version 2 or not, and how it looks. Ready? Ta-na-na! Ta-na-na! This looks stunning, seriously, stunning. I don't know if camera can do the justice, but it looking beautiful. Nice. I like that. I like plastic mud guards, plastic handles, because less weight. CNC are a little bit heavier than these plastic ones, but we got CNC in the middle where the handle is. That's the most important CNC. And some bumpers. Nice. Let's see, let's take this baby out and see what tire it comes with. And I wanted street tire, so this is still surprise. I still can't see what tire it is. We're gonna find out. So I think this is the best way to take it out. Let's see if this is the best way or not. You kind of hold the box from corners and do that. Just like that. Okay. We're going to put that one side. Okay, things are falling off. We forgot to check out the suspension adjustment tool. So this is also into the pile. The bumper. I think those screws were for this bumper. I kind of like this bumper. This bumper has some hate love story. Some people like them, most of them don't like them, but I like it. I'm gonna do 100% full effort to install these. Okay, it comes with Michelin Pilot Street 2. Michelin Pilot Street 2 tire. Really, this tire looks so tiny to me because I'm coming from Master Pro. So let me set it up in a good shot and then I come back. This is a little bit better pose. So you take this out. Nice. There's a foam to protect body shell. Looks nice. No obvious shipping damage so far. Look at the corners. I'm happy it comes with Pilot Street 2. So I called Alien Rides and I asked them what street tire this is coming with. And they said, oh, we had some problems with the stock street tire, so we're giving away free Pilot Street 2 in all Commander Pros. I was like, wow, thank you. So looks nice so far. So right now I'm just checking all the corners and a little bit of details. If any damage, shipping damage, obvious shipping damage or anything. So far looks nice. Everything looks okay on this side so far. And the tire looks nice. And let's check from this side. So yeah, like I said, I like CNC handle, but I don't mind not having CNC bumpers like these handles because these plastics are so lightweight. I want to keep my wheel as light as possible, and so I really don't want CNC handles. I just want CNC mid handle, the carrying handle. That's it. So let's see on the other side. Let's check the other side now. This wheel looks really tiny because I'm coming from a Master Pro. So to me, this wheel feels tiny and compact, but not really lightweight. It's not that light compared to Master Pro. It has its weight, but it's not as heavy as Master Pro, of course. About 20 pounds lighter than Master Pro. I like these pedals. I wish they had more these spikes, same as before, like previous Bigod normal pedals that came in Master Pro. No obvious damage again. We're looking for obvious damages. So we're gonna install Velcro in this video. Everything looks nice so far. Let's try to turn this on in camera. Okay, let's turn this on in camera. Light is nice, and it is the Demes light. Demes or Demes light. Let's turn it on. Which one is power? Obviously not that one. Okay, now it's unlocked. Okay, looks nice. Let's see light. Light is okay. The worst light ever. Like, this is really not really the best light ever in any wheel. Reminds me of my beginning of this journey, UC journey with InMotion V10 light. I like these bumpers, nice. And screen is, since this is V2 coming with bright screen, white screen, bluish screen, where V1 was with orange or reddish screen. So this is screen, I like it. It tells you the temperature 39 and mileage 1 mile. Okay, nice. Looks nice. These things are traveling from all around the from other side of the world. Like, seriously. Let's put this aside. And I give you better looking shot from the top and show you how it is looking from the top. And backlight. So this is backlight. Love it. Nice. Let's check the trolley handle. Trolley handle is nice. Nice. Loving it. Loving it. It's so nice to have a little bit lighter wheel than Master Pro finally. Like, Master Pro was really heavy, and I wanted something a little bit lighter. So let's see how to turn this trolley handle off with one hand. Obviously not possible. Yeah, it's possible. So trolley handle can be closed with one hand, but be careful, don't have your fingers stuck in between. Okay, now let's try to use the spin kill. Nice. Master Commander Pro version 2 with CNC handle and most welcomed plastic bumpers, because I don't want any extra weight, because we're going to be installing pads as well. And let's install some Velcro. So we're installing Velcro for power pads. So what do we have here? We have Velcro brand, Velcro industrial strength Velcro, and we're gonna install that. We have some rubbing alcohol, some paper towel to clean this surface, some oil on the body. I like this body. I used Master style body for year and a half, I think 1 year, and done about 3,000 miles on my Master Pro. Enjoyed it fair amount, and now I'm gonna use this traditional fully covered body, and I'm loving it already. It's easy to install Velcro on this body. Okay, nice. So Helen Rice gave me this purple tire tube valve cap. Let's check if all the roller bearings are there. Yeah, 2 of them are here. Really looks spanking shiny, nice. So yeah, the roller bearings are there. So this tire does use, because it's smaller tube, smaller rim, this tire does use a curved tube well. Compared to Master Pro tubes were coming straight well. We're only going to use a limited amount of this alcohol because we don't want color to be fading away. Right. Rubbing alcohol can fade away the color of this shell. We're going to use this limited. Okay, surface is prepared. I have a Grizzla Flow large version, full-size version, jumbo version Grizzla, and I'm going to use those pads. So let's see, let's decide how we want it to be installed. Okay. Soft side here, so we're going to install one straight like this. Now here I want to try to keep screw hole side open, so in case we need to open the shell. So from here to here takes about this amount.